let's do a video about fake breakouts. We will be focusing on how to trade in the choppy market conditions using LuxAlgo's premium toolkit in 2-minute time frame, and we will be trading Nasdaq futures. Let's be clear that we have set of rules. The first rule is we will be only trading on the New York AM session. If you plot your vertical line, you need to wait until the bar close here. And the second rule and the greatest rule about this strategy is you will be only trading 1 hour in 1 day. You got excited, right? Me too. So let me explain how that will work. You got this first 2 classified sell signal here from the LuxAlgo's premium toolkit. I will show every details and every settings later in the video. First, let's discuss the strategy. So let's roll the market and the ring bells. New York session just opened. You will not engage with the sell signal because it is outside of our trading zone. And let's roll the market to see what will happen. Voila, we got a 3 classified buy signal here. And if you don't know what are those meanings, I am putting on the chart. We have 4 classified signal, 1 2 3 4. 4 is the most strength one. Are we gonna take this? No. Why, Borsa? It suits up all your strategy. You have a bullish FVG and you have a 3 classified buy signal. The market clear out these lows over here. Why we don't just take it? Because we will be only focusing on a one great signal. One shot, one kill. Why I don't take is very simple. I just wanna wait until price candles close above this volumetric order block, because it can be a fake out, but it cannot be. If that is the case, I will be initiating my position somewhere here, and I will be putting my stop loss here, and I will be target, you can see, a Monday high. This is a 4-hour trade. It's very nice. Don't be greedy, guys. If you execute here, you can get stopped out. We are focusing on one shot, one kill. But please do note that if you want to trade on 1 minute using my other LuxAlgo strategies, feel free to do that. They have also a very high win rate. Let's wait if we can get a new highs over here. And as you can see that we got a 3 classified sell signal. What happened here? Market couldn't clear out these highs. We will be taking this short position and we're gonna be targeting this Monday low, which is like 100 points away from our initial point. Let's push the button here, and I want to take my full TP here. I don't want to see that price goes above this line over here. Also, you can watch out for this fair value gap. Market just created a new fair value gap. What I want you to do is just take one partial here and let it ride rest of your position. Put your stop loss just above this candle over here. How much RR we have here? Tell me please. You put stop here, target Monday low. Very important thing about this strategy, you need to always have a target to initiate a position. If you don't have a target, then it will not work. But this case will most of the time happens at the all-time highs, when the price reaches the all-time high and there is no target on the upside to target, so it's kind of hard to target something, right? Because it doesn't exist. So we are rolling the market to see if we can get the full TP or not, and absolutely we get it. So in total we made $4,700 with just one trade, and we traded only 1 hour. As you can see that now time is 10:24. What I promise you, only 1 hour in 1 day. Let's go to settings for the signals and overlays. I am using 15 signal sensitivity, and obviously I have enabled the machine learning signal classifier. I highly suggest you do that. That's everything you need. Just hit the OK button. Now let's go to price action concepts. You have to enable volumetric order blocks because you want to use these volumetric order blocks as your partial points in some way, or you can use this as your stop loss. Very helpful tool, like I said earlier. And you have to enable fair value gaps over here, and you will enable obviously daily, Monday, weekly, monthly lines over here, and that's everything you need. If you done that, just hit the OK button. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other LuxAlgo videos over here, and until the next time, see you soon. From the city to the beach, had a nice reach. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3, 2, 1. Got the hustle in my blood.